So I'm going to show you how to support your shoulders in sarvangasana, shoulder stand. All right, so you got two blankets here with a nice edge, and you don't want to use that tasseled edge. And so this way of setting it up is the most economical, so it's the easiest to undo it when you want to come out of it. So I recommend you do it this way. So this is, you're facing this way. Like you've jumped through, sit down, and then you set this up with the folded edge facing back, and then you just bring that mat over right about to the edge. So you don't want it over the edge, because then you can't tell kind of where the edge is. So right up to the edge, but it's also kind of butted up against there so that it's stable. All right, and then it's your shoulders that are going to go onto the support and your neck and head off. Okay, and generally you can get the general place just by feeling, but then I get the exact spot from halasana. So I come over, and then I reach and feel and scooch forward or back until I'm satisfied that my shoulders are on, my neck and head are off. Okay, and then from there, clasp the fingers, straighten the arms, and roll. So you tip to the right and try to roll the head of the arm under, tip to the left and roll that left head of the arm under. Then bend the elbows, plant the forearms, take your hands down your back, and come up into your position. Okay, and so this just gives you a little more ease in your posture and takes any strain off the neck. And then, so you can do the whole thing, all the variations with this. Okay, and then when you want to come down and remove it, you just scoot to the side and move it off, and voila, you're ready to go with your backward somersault or going into your vinyasa. There you have it, supported shoulder stand.